is where we now mark big floods. We don't mark every flood, there's no point in marking every flood, because it's such a common thing. But the bigger floods are marked down here. There's a lovely story as well of who gets the privilege of making those. Every apprentice stonemason, the best thing about monks, they had flushing toilets. This is an example of it, really. Yeah, you get some interesting words from the children. Now I hate saying this, but if you walk backwards, don't go too far. But if you can see over the wall, you get a better view, to be fair, on the other side of the river. That is Bishop's Palace. Yeah. So that's the medieval home of the Bishop of Worcester, and it was perfect.
7. How you pronounce it? 7?
The River Severn. Yeah.
Severn?
Yeah.
7.
Yeah.
Americans go Severn.
Yeah.
Was owned, that land was actually owned by this man, Joseph Wood, and Joseph Wood actually used this site as his timber works, and there's a beautiful photograph of the timber works just at here. So if I hold that there, you can see these trows lined up, and this whole scoured out area on here, which was all part of the meadow, was his timber yard. And the actual hive is built on the main offices and main sawing yard. So it's the infirmary where Dr. Wall worked. Well, I say worked, loosely worked, whilst he was fiddling about creating his own road. Now, I've already mentioned the railway. We've actually stood on the railway. I'll show you where it came onto the riverbank. That day, it's surprising how many people threw offerings into the river to Sabrina. I like to say, whenever the river floods, it's Sabrina. She's coming to visit, you see.
Yes, absolutely. There's loads here.
Wow. Masarap.
I know.
But how come the ones in your house it's not masarap? Fresh laurel leaves.
No, it's not bad. I'm thinking of laurel.
Oh yeah.
That's bay leaf.
That is bay.
Wow, rhubarb.
So isn't that a lovely view? I mean, look how far you can see into this. What's that?
Worcester over there.
That's Worcester, is it?
Yeah.
It's nice.
It is nice, and you've got sheep in the field over there.
English countryside.
English countryside, the beans.
But they're not doing very well.
That's a nice,
Oh my god. Do they have to be in a cold weather?
I'm not sure.